Hi guys, welcome to Chabra Sports, and I want to showcase the Khazana bat which I was sneak peeking since yesterday. And again the USP here, ये क्यों खजाना है, is because ऐसे बैट ऐसे स्पेक्स इस वेट पे नहीं बनते हैं. It has got few blemishes, but trust me, भूल जाइए इस blemishes को. And if someone who is very serious into buying bats, बहुत ज़्यादा knowledge है bat की, तो he will not take 5 minutes to buy this bat. Check out the ping on this one. So this is about the ping. This is the sound on the bat. Oval handle. And when this bat was shown to me over the video call, this was a mere 1140 gram cleft or a finished bat. Then it got this edge tapes, cuff sheets, and the shrink wrap. And even after that, this is an 1153 gram with upwards of 106 mm of width, 43.8 mm, close to 44 mm of edges here. Look at the toe size. Check out the shape on this one. Now this is a gauge filler bat. जो gauge filler bat होते हैं, this is they're almost at 1200 or because it has got that much amount of meat. But this bat locks here. This is an 1150 gram bat with the shrink wrap, and this is a gauge filler with a crazy ping on this one. Again, if just check out the sound here. सो ऐसे बैट्स नहीं बनते हैं. दिस पिंग, दिस साइज एट दिस वेट. नाउ दिस गोज आउट टू शो दैट ये इतनी लो डेंसाइल बिलो है. एंड अगेन थैंक यू EM फॉर सेंडिंग दिस बैट अक्रॉस टू अस and doing this grading for me. And now this bat could have been priced at any price. If you also see player bats, at least in the hands of the player, with such blemishes and such grains, but वो bats ऐसे होते हैं. And this bat is this shape, this duckbill shape with this spine, this how filled bat, picking up 1150 is an heavier, मतलब it picks up 11 lesser than 1150. It doesn't, it's so light pickup. And this is retailing at, this has a sticker of 35,999. So crazy good bat. I think I would not exaggerate, but anybody who buys this bat would always bless me कि राहुल तुमने ये ऐसा bat दिया है, or will always praise EM कि क्या bat बनाया है. So this is that level of bat. This is a real khazana by all means. Grab this guys as early you can. This is one heck of a bat. This is for today, and कल I'll give you 2 more bats from EM. वो भी crazy होंगे. Thanks and cheers.